Why 2025 is the year to consider air conditioning for your UK home. Hello, I'm Reese Powell, Director of Operations at WarmZilla, and I wanted to talk to you today about why 2025 is the year to install air conditioning in your home, despite it not being common in the UK. Remember when air conditioning in a UK home felt like a luxury? With UK summers bringing more frequent and intense heat waves, battling stuffy rooms and sleepless nights is becoming an unwelcome reality for many. Air conditioning, also known as AC, is shifting from a nice-to-have to a practical home improvement that offers real benefits for comfort, health, and even productivity. Today's video explores why installing AC might be a smart move for your UK home, covering the key advantages, the types of systems available, important considerations before you buy, and how WarmZilla can help you make the right choice. Top reasons UK homeowners are installing air conditioning. Let's face it, the sticky, sleepless nights and sweltering days during a heatwave are no fun. Beyond just cooling the air, installing AC brings several tangible benefits. Unbeatable comfort during heatwaves. That feeling of walking into a perfectly cool room after being out in the summer heat? It's bliss. AC allows you to escape the worst of the humidity and maintain a consistently pleasant temperature inside your home, providing a welcome sanctuary from the unpredictable British weather. Sleep soundly through warm nights. Tossing and turning in a hot, stuffy bedroom is a common complaint during UK summers. Heat significantly disrupts sleep patterns, leaving you feeling groggy and irritable. Air conditioning creates a cool, controlled environment, promoting the restful, uninterrupted sleep essential for your well-being. Breathe cleaner, healthier air. It's not just about temperature. Many modern air conditioning units incorporate advanced filters that capture dust, pollen, pet dander, and other airborne pollutants. By circulating filtered air and reducing indoor humidity levels, which helps prevent mold and mildew growth, AC can contribute to a healthier living space, especially beneficial for allergy sufferers or those with respiratory issues. Boost productivity when working from home. With more people working remotely, maintaining a comfortable home office is crucial. Trying to concentrate when you're overheating is a recipe for distraction and reduced efficiency. A cool and comfortable workspace provided by AC can significantly improve focus and productivity throughout the day. Potential to increase property appeal. While maybe not the primary reason, having a professionally installed air conditioning system is becoming an increasingly desirable feature for UK homes. It can add a premium feel and make your property stand out to potential buyers or renters down the line. Understanding air conditioning. How does it cool your home? In simple terms, air conditioning doesn't create cold. It removes heat and humidity from the air inside your home and transfers it outside. This process typically involves a refrigerant that cycles between liquid and gas states, absorbing heat indoors and releasing it outdoors. Interestingly, many modern AC systems are actually heat pumps. This means they can reverse the cycle in cooler months, efficiently extracting heat from the outside air, even when it's cold, and bringing it inside to warm your home. This dual functionality can make them a versatile year-round climate control solution. What types of air conditioning systems are available? Choosing the right system depends on your needs, budget, and property type. Here are the common options for UK homes. Portable units. These are standalone units you can move between rooms. Pros: no permanent installation required, generally lower upfront cost. Cons: tend to be less energy efficient, can be noisy, and require a hose vented out of a window or opening, which can be fiddly and less secure. Split systems. Wall-mounted. These are the most popular choice for adding AC to existing homes. They consist of an outdoor unit connected to one or more sleek indoor units mounted high on a wall. Pros: highly energy efficient, very quiet indoor operation, provides effective cooling and often heating. Cons: require professional installation, higher initial cost than portable units. Ducted systems. These offer a whole house solution with vents in ceilings or walls connected via ductwork, usually in the loft space, to a central unit. Pros: very discreet appearance, only vents visible, can cool, heat multiple rooms evenly, quiet operation. Cons: most expensive option, installation is more complex and usually best suited for new builds or during major renovations where ceilings, walls are accessible.
Thinking about getting air conditioning for your home? At WarmZilla, we've just launched our air conditioning installation service, bringing cool comfort to UK homes. Click the link in the description to explore our options and get a quick, no-obligation quote. And if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. We'd be happy to help.
Key things to consider before you buy. Investing in air conditioning requires careful thought. Here are the crucial factors. Getting the right size, BTU rating. Size definitely matters with AC. An undersized unit will struggle to cool the space effectively, while an oversized unit will cycle on and off too frequently, wasting energy and failing to dehumidify properly. Sizing depends on room dimensions, ceiling height, window sizes, insulation levels, and sun exposure. A professional calculation is essential. Energy efficiency and running costs. Look for the energy label. Modern AC units have energy ratings: SEER for cooling, SCOP for heating. Choosing a unit with a high rating means lower running costs and less environmental impact. While efficiency affects ongoing expenses, it's also useful to understand the overall investment. You can read our detailed guide on air conditioning costs in the UK for a full breakdown. Forget the old myths. Today's efficient systems, especially heat pump models used for heating, can be surprisingly cost-effective to run compared to solely relying on traditional heating methods in certain scenarios. Professional installation is key. Installing split or ducted systems is not a DIY job. Air conditioning systems contain refrigerant gases that require careful handling by certified professionals to comply with UK F-gas regulations. Incorrect installation can lead to poor performance, damage, and safety risks. Always use a qualified and experienced installer like those in the WarmZilla network. Maintenance for longevity and performance. Like any important appliance, your AC needs a little TLC. Simple tasks like regularly cleaning or replacing air filters can be done yourself and make a big difference to efficiency and air quality. It's also recommended to have a professional service check periodically, for example annually, to ensure everything is running optimally and safely. Noise levels. Worried about noisy AC? While older units could be intrusive, modern systems, particularly split systems, are designed for quiet operation. Indoor units often have silent or quiet modes that are barely audible, perfect for bedrooms and living areas. Check the decibel (dB) ratings on potential models. Planning permission. For most standard residential AC installations in the UK, like wall-mounted split systems, planning permission is usually not required. However, rules can vary, especially if you live in a conservation area, a listed building, or if the outdoor unit is particularly large or visible. It's always prudent to check with your local council if unsure. 2025 is the perfect time to make your home summer-ready with air conditioning. If you're ready to beat the heat, WarmZilla's brand new installation service has you covered with expert fitting and competitive prices. Click the link below to learn more and get started today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, or leave a comment if you have any questions. We're always happy to help.